Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to do unboxing of this Realme X7 phone, which is a Flipkart exclusive phone, and this is the retail Indian package what you get from Flipkart if you order the phone on Flipkart. So this is the box. As you can see, this is a sealed box. Let me show you. This is how you get the box from Flipkart. As you can see, it has that Flipkart branding, and also this is a sealed box. So I have a knife here. So in this video we're going to do the unboxing and also take a first look at this phone, because this phone comes with a very interesting specification, and I was keen to test this phone out. So let's start this video. But before that, if you're new here on my channel and happen to enjoy the kind of content that I do make on my channel, do give this video a thumbs up, and also it would motivate me a lot if you could just subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the box. So let me do one thing. Let me just cut the seal open. Alright guys, so as you can see, within this box we have a separate box which says Realme X7. So let me just keep this Flipkart box aside and let me have a closer look at this Realme X7 box. So as you can see guys, this is the Realme X7 box, and here we have a big branding which says Realme and a yellow color Realme logo. If you take a look at the back, so it says some of the specification. It comes with the new Mediatek Dimensity 800 chipset. It's a 5G processor based on 7mm architecture, and also it comes with your 50-watt super dart charger. It has a 6.4-inch Amoled display and 64-megapixel AI camera based on Android operating system. So as you can see, this is the box. So again, let me cut the seal open and we'll have a closer look at the phone itself. So as you can see, this is how the box looks. Now let me do one thing. Let me just open the box. It's a bit difficult to open the box as we have to slide it open. So let me open this box. As you can see, so the first thing we get while opening the box, it says uncover the extraordinary speed. So this is a paperwork, I believe so. Within this it comes only just two paperworks. Let me see anything else is there in the box or not. So let me see that. Okay, looks like nothing else in this pamphlet, so we'll just keep that aside. Apart from that, we have the phone itself. So this Realme X7 is available in two colors in Flipkart. So one is this space silver model, which I have opted for, and the other one is nebula color. So the nebula color has big Realme branding, and it has Dare to Lip logo over here. So I did not like that, so I opted for this smartphone. So we'll just keep the smartphone for the time being here, and we'll see what else do we get in the box. So as you can see, okay, we get a TPU case as well. So good to see that they are including a TPU case. So the quality is okay. So we'll put the case on the phone in a moment and we'll see how that fits. And here we have our super dart charger. So as you can see, this is the super dart charger which will charge the phone at around 55 watt. So apart from that, we have our USB to Type-C cable, as you can see. And also this phone does not come with a SD card option, so you have your only SIM slots, and this phone is available at 120GB storage. So this is a pin ejector tool. So we'll just keep all the things aside and we'll take a look at the phone itself now. And also, as you can see here, I have my Jio SIM. So I'll be testing this phone with my Jio SIM. So it supports 5G, but as of now in India we don't have 5G availability. So as of now I will be putting my Jio SIM and will test the network speeds as well. So let's have a closer look at the phone first. So as you can see, let me just open this. Alright, okay, so this is how the phone looks like. So there's one more sticker, so let me just take this out as well. This is how the phone looks like, guys, and this space silver color looks lot better, I would say. So the one more color which was in nebula, so there it was mentioned Dare to Live, so I did not like that. So taking a look at the phone itself, it's a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, I don't know whether camera is able to capture that or not. It's a fingerprint magnet, guys. It's a plastic back, and here we have our rear facing cameras, on which we have a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel macro sensor. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Let me give you a physical overview. So as you can see, this is how the phone looks like. On top we have the primary microphone. Here on the right hand side we have this power button. As you can see, this is how the power button looks like. And if you take a look at the bottom, we don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. All we have is a single speaker and the USB port for charging, and this is a SIM tray. So let me just do one thing. Let me just put my SIM. So I have the SIM ejector tool over here. So as you can see, this is how the SIM slot looks like. So we'll do one thing, we'll put our Jio SIM over here, and before that I would just like to apply the case, and let's see how does it fits and how does it look with the case that is supplied in the box. So it fits well. So as you can see, so let me do one thing, let me put my Jio SIM now and I'll be back. Alright guys, so now I have put my Jio SIM. So let me just turn the phone on. So let's see what kind of Android animation that we get. I hope it has some charge. So as you can see, it says the Realme and the Android logo is visible. So it says powered by Android. So let's just wait for some time. And as you can see, this Realme branding just pops up. It looks good, and so it is taking much time. So I'll be setting up the phone. I'll be connecting to my personal Wi-Fi. So as you can see, let me click on next. So I'm gonna show you how to set up this phone very quickly. Maybe I'll fast forward this footage. Alright guys, so as you can see, after like 15-20 minutes I had to set up everything, and now the phone is set up. So as you can see, this is how the phone looks like, and I'm getting all these notifications. So let me just look at the application, what and all the applications are already installed in this phone. So as you can see, not a lot of bloatware apart from this Flipkart and Google Pay and stuff like that. We have some of the Realme own application, and some of the bloatwares are present. So let me see whether we can uninstall this. If I click on that, yes, we have an option, so we can uninstall that. So this is how the phone looks like. The screen quality is nice, and also we have the Google Pay over here. So it's pretty much close to stock Android, I would say, and these are the applications that are already installed. So it's very much close to stock Android. Let me go to the settings and let me show you the settings menu as well. Alright, so as you can see, this is how the settings menu looks like. Now if we go to this additional settings, and if we go to this get recommendation, so as you can see, this is how the ads get shown. So you come to this option additional settings and come to this get recommendation, turn this off so you don't get to see any advertisement stuff like that. So now let me go to this about phone option. So as you can see, all the details are present over here. So it's based on Realme UI version 1, so which is based on Android 10. So as you can see, this is on Android 10. Let me show you that as well. So as you can see, this is on Android 10. So this is how the phone looks like, and this is the specification. And as you can see, the phone feels very smooth, not a lot of bloatware, and there is no stutter in the UI I'm able to notice as of now. So this is mostly the stock applications, stock phone application, stock message application, and apart from that, few of the basic applications are installed. So I will be making more videos in the future about this Realme X7, including its speed test, network speed test, considering it's a 5G phone. I have that Jio SIM inserted over here, and we'll test that how it is able to catch up the 4G as of now, since 5G is not available. So I will be doing the camera comparison as well, since it has a triple camera setup at the back and a single 16 megapixel camera at the front, and this is a Super AMOLED screen. So we have a lot of tips and tricks that I can also show you guys in the next few videos. So let me know that in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see on this Realme X7. I am an iOS user. As you can see over there, I have my iPhone. So this is my secondary phone. So this comes with this 800U Dimensity chipset. So I am very much eager to test this chipset out. How does it perform and how does it fare? Probably in next few videos I will be doing a speed test with this iPhone. So let's see how does it fare with the iPhone XR. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what and all the videos that you would like to see on this Realme X7. This is a 5G handset, guys, and this is a space silver model. So let me know in the comment section below, and I also will be leaving a link from where you can buy it from Flipkart. So then again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.